Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Trello Power UPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall a power-up in Trello, first, open your Trello board where the power-up is enabled. Locate the menu on the right side of your screen. Scroll down to find the Power UPS option and click on it. This will display a list of all the Power UPS currently enabled on your board. Look for the power-up you wish to uninstall. Once you find it, hover over the power-up's name. A red Disable button will appear next to the power-up. Click on the Disable button to remove the power-up from your board. A confirmation message may appear, confirming the action to disable the power-up. Review the message and confirm the uninstallation if prompted. After disabling, the power-up will no longer be active on your board. If you want to completely remove it, you can return to the Power UPS menu. From the Power UPS menu, click on the Manage Power UPS option. This will show a list of all Power UPS, both enabled and disabled. Find the disabled power-up you want to uninstall completely. Next to the power-up's name, you'll see an option to remove. Click on the Remove option. A final confirmation may appear to ensure you want to proceed. Confirm the action to permanently uninstall the power-up. Once removed, the power-up will no longer be listed within your Power UPS menu. You have successfully uninstalled the power-up from Trello. Repeat these steps for any other Power UPS you wish to uninstall. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.